Hello everyone, welcome back to Joobilant. Today we'll walk you through how to configure Vtiger Kanban View and manage your records using visual boards. Are you still managing all your Vtiger records like this? Switch to Kanban View. Vtiger Kanban View gives you interactive visual boards. Learn about all of the features at the end of the video. Let's learn how to configure the Vtiger Kanban View. After successfully purchasing and installing the Kanban View extension, log in to your Vtiger CRM. In the menu bar, go to Vtiger Kanban Config. Click Add to add a new Kanban View configuration for a module. You will navigate to the configuration section. Fill out the field. Select the module that you want to enable Kanban View for. Select the field. Select the picklist field you want to see records by stages in Kanban View. Picklist value. Select the specific stages you want to display as columns in your Kanban View board. Sort fields. Click Add More to customize your Kanban boards by adding fields to each record. Select the fields that you need to show in the Kanban for each record. Click Save. That's it, configuration is successful. Let's explore how Kanban View works in Vtiger. Go to the module that we just enabled Kanban View for. In the list view, you can see a button named Kanban View. Click the button. Here's the Kanban View boards. All the fields in each Kanban View board are according to our configuration. You can see the records based on the stages. You can simply drag and drop any record to update the stages in real time. Use this edit icon in the bottom right of each record to edit any data of record. Click the Kanban View to go back to the Kanban View from Edit View. You can use the eye icon to view the detail page of any record. If you want to go back to the list view, click the List View button. You'll be redirected to the list view. That's it. This is how Kanban View works in Vtiger. If you have any questions, comment below or contact us via the details given in the description. Thank you for watching.